In this video, we will solve stoichiometric problem. First, we have to balance the equation. So this equation is not balanced. We will count number of atoms, left side and right side, and balance. So one calcium, and we have 2 carbons here and 3 carbons here. So 3 oxygens here, 2 oxygens. So to make it 6, we write here 2 times 3, 6 oxygens, and we write here 3 times 2, 6 oxygens. Now, when we write 2, there are 2 calciums. So we write here 2 to make 2 calciums. Now 2 calcium, both sides they are same, and 6 oxygen, 6 oxygens. Now we count how many carbons are there in the right side. So 2 times 2, 4, and 5, 6, 7 carbons we have. So to make 7 here, so we have 2 carbons here, so we write here 5. So 5 carbon plus 2 carbon is 7 carbon. Now this equation is balanced. Next is how many moles of carbon are required to produce 5 moles of CO2. So first we write the given amount. So given is 5 moles of CO2. So 5 moles CO2, and required how many moles of carbon. So we have to find moles of carbon. So we write the given amount, so 5 moles of CO2. So we write here 5 moles CO2 times mole ratio. So the ratio of CO2 and carbon is CO2 is 3 and carbon is 5. So because here the CO2 in the numerator, so down we write the ratio of carbon dioxide is 3 moles CO2 and 5 moles of carbon. So you have to find moles of carbon. So whatever we have to find, it should be on the numerator side, on the top. So 5 moles of carbon. So moles of CO2 cancels. So we get 5 times 5, 25 over 3. That comes to 8.3 moles of carbon. So this is the answer. Next, we have to find how many grams of calcium carbide are produced when 4 moles of carbon reacts with excess of calcium carbonate. So here given is 4 moles of carbon, 4 moles of carbon, and required is how many grams of calcium carbide. We have to find grams of CaC2. So for 4 moles of carbon, first we write the given amount. So 4 moles of carbon times mole ratio. So ratio of carbon and calcium carbide are, in the equation you will see carbon and calcium carbide. So 5 moles of carbon and calcium carbide is 2 moles. 2 moles of calcium carbide. So 4 moles of carbon here. So we write here moles of carbon below. So it is 5 moles of carbon and requires 2 moles of calcium carbide. So, and they're asking how many grams of calcium carbide. So now the answer we have in moles of calcium carbide. But here they are asking grams of. So we have to change moles into gram. So you multiply. So 1 mole calcium carbide, molar mass is calcium is 40, and carbon is 12. So there are 2 carbons. So 12 times 12, 12 plus 12, 24. So we get 4 and 6, 64. So 64 grams of CaC2. Now final answer we'll have in grams of CaC2 because they're asking grams of CaC2. Now we cancel moles of carbon cancels, moles of CaC2, moles of calcium carbide cancels. So now we have 4 times 2 times 64 upon 5. So we'll get 102 grams of calcium carbide, CaC2. So this is the answer. Third example, how many moles of CO2 are produced when 55 grams of calcium carbonate react with excess of carbon? So first we write the given amount. So here given is 55 grams of calcium carbonate. So 55 grams of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and required is how many moles of CO2? So we have to find moles of CO2. So first we write the given amount, 55 grams of calcium carbonate, right here 55 grams of CaCO3. So always we write in mole in terms of moles. So grams of calcium carbonate we change into moles. So times 1 mole calcium carbonate is equal to 100 grams of CaCO3. That is the molar mass of calcium. The calcium is 40, carbon 12, and oxygen is 16 times 3, 48. So it comes to 100. So now we have moles of calcium carbonate times mole ratio. So the ratio of calcium carbonate and CO2 is calcium carbonate and CO2. So 2 moles of calcium carbonate and 3 moles of CO2. 2 moles of calcium carbonate, 3 moles of CO2. So now here we have moles of calcium carbonate. So down we write moles of calcium carbonate, that is 2 moles calcium carbonate, and carbon dioxide is 3 moles of CO2. This is the mole ratio. So they're asking moles of CO2. So we have moles of CO2 here. So now we'll cancel the units. So grams of calcium carbonate, grams of calcium carbonate cancels. Moles of calcium carbonate, moles of calcium carbonate cancels. Now we find the answer 55 times 3 over 100 times 2. It comes to 0.83 moles of CO2. So this is the answer. Okay, next question. How many grams of carbon are needed to react with 453 grams of calcium carbonate? So first we write what is given. So given is 453 grams of calcium carbonate. So 453 grams calcium carbonate, and required is how many grams of carbon? So grams of carbon we have to find. So first we write given amount, that is 453 grams of CaCO3. So always we convert into moles. This is grams given, so convert into moles times 1 mole calcium carbonate equals to 100 grams of CaCO3. So we converted into moles now. Now times mole ratio. So the ratio of calcium carbonate and carbon is calcium carbonate and carbon. So 2 and 5. So 2 calcium carbonate, 5 carbons. So this is the mole ratio. So 2 moles calcium carbonate needs 5 moles of carbon. Now they're asking grams of carbon. So this is moles of carbon we have answered here. We have to change into grams. So multiply by 1 mole carbon equivalent to 12 grams of carbon. So final answer now we have in grams of carbon. So we cancel this unit. Grams of calcium carbonate cancels. Moles of calcium carbonate, moles of calcium carbonate, and moles of carbon, moles of carbon. So final answer we have in grams of carbon. So we do all the calculations here. 453 times 5 times 12. 4 times 5 times 12 upon 100 times 2, 200. So equals to, we get 136 grams of carbon. 136 grams of carbon. Okay, last one. How many grams of calcium carbonate are needed to form 598 grams of calcium carbide? So first we write given amount. So given is 598 grams of calcium carbide, and required is how many grams of calcium carbonate. So we want grams of calcium carbonate. So first we write grams of what is given, 598 grams of calcium carbide. So write 598 grams of calcium carbide. Because it is given in grams, we have to change into moles. So we know 1 mole calcium carbide. How many grams? Calculate molar mass. So calcium 40 plus carbon 12 plus 12, 24. So it comes to 64. So 64 grams of calcium carbide. So now we have answer in moles of calcium carbide times mole ratio. So the ratio of calcium carbide and calcium carbonate, calcium carbide and calcium carbonate is 2:2, 2 moles calcium carbonate, 2 moles of calcium carbide. So now we write mole ratio. 2 moles CaC2 and 2 moles of calcium carbonate. So now we get answer in moles of calcium carbonate, but here they're asking grams of calcium carbonate. So this moles of calcium carbonate we change into grams. So we know 1 mole calcium carbonate is, molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So 100 grams of calcium carbonate. So final answer now we have in grams of calcium carbonate. So we cancel these units. Grams of calcium carbide cancel here. Moles of calcium carbide cancel here. Moles of calcium carbonate cancels. So now answer we have 598 times 2 times 100 upon 64 times 2. That comes to 934 grams of calcium carbonate are required. So these are the answers. I hope now you understand how to solve this stoichiometric problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.